Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I layered my Asteria hair wig. This video is part 2 of Lemons to Lemonade. If you would like to see the playlist, I'll leave it in the description down below. If this interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the beginning of what the hair looks like before I start layering and blending. This is after I did the bump it and the double stack on this particular wig. And if you would like to see that video, as I said before, I will leave a description. I will leave it in the description down below of the previous videos before I got to this particular video. Okay, so right here I'm just going to start in with the bangs. As you can see, I guess I didn't stack the wigs exactly the same, so I'm going to have to go in and cut it a little bit shorter in order to make this work. So right now I'm trying to get a rounded edge right here in the front, so that's what I'm working on right now. And I'm using the comb as a guideline to make sure my line is nice and even, or straight. Okay, right here I'm just trying to determine where I want my layers to begin and end. As you can see, I've chosen this area right here. I'm just going to snip that off, and that's going to be my guideline throughout the entire haircut. I'm just going to lift everything straight up and cut it across to make sure everything is nice and well blended. I would like to also mention that I'm point cutting the hair because it adds a little bit more texture instead of like a bulky straight line going across. Because when you have the tracks at the bottom, it kind of does that. So I'm going to point cut the hair to make sure it's nice and softly blended on the edges, on the ends, so that the overall finish style will be pretty good looking instead of like a barcode with lines and everything in it. I'm just working my way around the head. I'm starting on one side and then I'm going around to the other side. Okay, now that I've finished the top, I'm going to go ahead and trim the bottom. I'm basically trying to keep as much length as possible, so I'm just point cutting and making sure everything is nice and even. And that's what I'm doing here. Okay, right here I'm going to go ahead on and start doing face framing layers, and I'm going to make sure that it's even on either side of the head. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, right here I'm just going to layer the back because it was looking a little bit bulky. I'm just taking the shortest piece at the very top and using that as a guideline to determine how and where to start my layering. So that's what you see me doing here. Okay, up next I'm going in with the thinning shears, and I'm going to use my thinning shears in the same method that I used to cut the hair. I would also like to mention that I'm point cutting the actual shears. I don't know if you can see that I'm going diagonal to eliminate any lines or barcodes in the hair after it's been cut. Okay, I'm also point cutting the hair with the thinning shears, and I'm only going in about 1 inch off the ends. Okay, right here I'm just showing you what it looked like before. It was flat and there was no definition in the hair. This is on my mannequin head, and this is with me with the wig on, and you get to see exactly what I'm talking about and how it looks here. As you can see, it's very lifeless and it's just flat. Okay, right here I'm just showing you what it looks like after the haircut. It has a lot more layering in it. It looks full and it looks pretty good. I think I like it. I hope you do too. It's not weighed down. It actually has lift and body, and that was the desired look I was going for. Now you know how you can do it at home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.